Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover or fix your shortcut icons if they seem to be corrupted or not rendering correctly on your computer. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to type in file and you're looking for a file explorer. Open up File Explorer, go to your C drive, click on this PC, go to our C drive. Whatever your main drive label is, open that up, go inside, go to users. Whatever your username is, this example is going to be John Smith. Go into app data. Keep in mind, if you don't see app data, you have to go to view, and you're going to select show hidden files. So go to the option area right here on the right side, folder option settings, click on view. Make sure it's selected show hidden files and folders. Make sure that's selected under hidden files and folders. You click apply and OK. So make sure that's open. So you should see app data at that point. Go into that, go into local. We're looking for icon cache DB at the bottom of the list. No matter how long the list is, go to the bottom, double click, and then basically delete that file. Okay, if the problem's not solved after attempting that solution, what I want you to do is go to your taskbar, right click, and click Task Manager. Go into Task Manager, click on Details. We're going to get to this view of details. No matter which version of Windows you're using, as long as you're in the details, we're looking for the Explorer.exe. Left click on it and click in task. When you click in task or in process, it's going to basically, you're not going to see your task bar anymore once you click that. We're going to kill that process. So it's going to ask you, do you want to kill this process? We're going to click in process. Now everything's going to go black. We're going to go to file, run new task. We're going to type in manually explorer.exe. Make sure you spell it correctly. You don't have to have .exe, but it's better to do it sometimes. Press OK, and it's going to reload your Explorer, refresh it, and your taskbar will show up. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.